C++ identifiers are tokens that provide readable names for variables, functions, labels, and defined types. C++ identifiers are made up of letters and numbers within a set of constraints. The 26 letters of the ISO basic Latin alphabet in both lowercase and uppercase, the 10 Western Arabic numerals, and the ASCII underscore character. An identifier may not begin with a numeral. Identifiers may not conflict with reserved words. The current C++ standard, C++ 14, reserves 73 keywords plus 11 alternative tokens. You may not use any of these words as an identifier. Identifiers are case sensitive. Capital A, lowercase z is different from lowercase a, capital Z, so even though both of these say AZ, they are different identifiers. Current standards allow letters that are not part of the ISO basic Latin alphabet, but support for this is implementation dependent and not portable. I highly recommend that you stick with the 26 letters of the basic Latin alphabet, numbers, and the underscore. If you choose to use international character sets, you need to be aware that your code may not compile on other systems. Current standards allow identifiers to be of any length, although only the first 63 characters are guaranteed to be checked for uniqueness. And only the first 31 characters are guaranteed for external identifiers, so in practice, you should keep your identifiers under 31 characters long. An initial underscore character, that is an underscore in the first position of an identifier, is commonly used for private identifiers. More than one initial underscore is normally reserved for system-level private use, so don't name your variables with 2 initial underscores. Like so many aspects of programming, it's a really good idea to decide on a consistent style for choosing identifiers and stick to it. Understanding the rules, choosing conventions, and sticking to them will help make your code more readable and maintainable for the long term.